right, you guys ready? Welcome to the Ruby and Liz Cooking Show! All right, today we're making
Bagels.
Bagels. So we've already prepped the sourdough. A little cold. Boop. There you go. Nice. Good job. Next, we are supposed to roll them into a ball. We're supposed to push our fingers in.
To make a hole. It's kind of like a donut.
What is that?
That's nothing.
All right, guys. We're going to let these guys sit for 1 to 3 hours. We're back.
Okay.
Look how puffy these little guys are. Don't they look good?
Yeah. Now, when this is boiling, we're going to make the egg wash.
That's right.
Now, I'm going to whisk this up.
Ready to boil some bagels?
Yep.
All right, let's do this.
Better when I'm cooking, yeah. Better when I'm cooking, yeah.
Supposed to drop these in there for 1 minute on each side. Ooh. Oh, nice. Okay, I think it's time to take these ones out. Who knew that you were supposed to boil bagels?
I don't know.
Wow, Rose, we're making bagels.
Now we're going to put this oak on.
Bagel seasoning time.
Now we bake this for 20 to 25 minutes.
Hey, look.
Look it for yourself.
Wow, then there are bagels. Look how beautiful. Cheers. What do you think?
So good. See you next time.